I'm Ben, creator of Cairn AI, and today you're following me as I use Cairn to add a new feature to Cairn. First, the feature and its motivations. So I'm opening this tool I've made before, and the change we're going to be making is in the Directories tab, specifically the Directories tree here. So right now, the only way the user has to uncheck directories is to physically, individually uncheck and check directories. I want to make it to where a user can just right click and then click uncheck or check, and it affects all of the widgets beneath it, all of the directories beneath it. And the motivation behind this is that if we had something like Boost included in our project files, we would want to be able to not include Boost, all of Boost in our project when we send it to Cairn's backend. That's just going to waste time and cost extra money. The LLMs already know how the Boost library works, so that would just be redundant. All right, so first let's go and look at how much money I've spent so far in my account, so we can get an idea of how much this feature is going to cost us. And I have used $5.36 of usage. All right, I'll mark that down. Okie dokie. And let's get started. So I've opened up the Cairn AI project, and I'm going to add a new task, and I'll just call it Directories tab improvements. And I'll use Sonnet 4 thinking. And I've already prepared a prompt, just so you don't have to watch me type, but I'll read it out to you. I want to add right-click functionality to the directory widgets directory cards, or just their checkboxes. I'm not sure which one, where we should add right-click, so I'll just let the model decide. The right-click menu should have two options, uncheck all children and check all children. The directory that was right-clicked should be included in the checking and unchecking. Okay, I like that. So here we go. All right, it gave us a response back. It says, I'll help you add right-click functionality to the directory widget cards. Looking at the code, I need to modify the directory tree widget to add context menu support with the check all children and uncheck all children options. All right, let's look at the changes. So it adds some helper functions and uses them in the call stack, in the build stack rather. So let's accept these changes. Hot reload. And then we'll go back to the data annotation tool, directories, and we'll see right click, check all. All right, that worked. Right click, uncheck all. Excellent. Right click, uncheck all. Yes. This works exactly how we wanted. Awesome. So let's go see how much that cost us. So as a reminder, we were at $5.36. And now we're at 570. So that's like, I'm not going to do math live. So 570 minus 536, 34 cents. So we got that whole feature in just a few minutes for 36 cents. Excellent. Well, thanks for following along while I add a new feature to Cairn with Cairn. Let Cairn show you the way, guys. Have fun coding.